starting the day off with some blue rubber gloves on because I got to get my inner beautician spirit going. Let's get this on. I've had to bleach people's hair before. Well, only 2 people's in my entire life, my ex-girlfriend and Steph stuck in a truck. And since I'm not doing my ex-girlfriend's today, I'm doing Steph stuck in a truck again. Let's get the ball on the road. The wheels on the car on the road. Whatever goes down the road, let's get on it. So we have, look at that. It looks like food. It looks like you want to eat it. It's so yummy. This bleach, it just looks like you're going to bake a cake. It's rather appetizing. So real quick, when you are nomads and living out in the middle of nowhere, it kind of doesn't make sense to go to a beauty salon when you have a man in your life. Yeah, save the money and just, ladies out there, just have your man do it. Bleaching's fun. By the way, do you have a comb to separate your hair?
Yeah, you're not ready yet, so.
Oh, okay, well, I'm ready. I'm
not ready because you don't have all your supplies.
I need, show the camera the supplies.
No, I'm not ready to be
Oh, okay. She's not ready. Damn it. Do you get the ball on the road or the wheels on the road? Okay.
On the road. You get the float on the road.
Okay.
So we only have 2 hours now. And
Well, let's knock us out. Just leave me alone. You definitely need to diet. Okay, so come here, comb. Get all tangled up in there. Nice. Okay. We're gonna start with the back, okay, and try not to get the blue. No, I can hold this for now, but later on, I'm gonna start with the back, and then we don't get the blue, right?
Yeah, you don't want to touch the blue at all because that part's been bleached before.
Okay. You hush now and you relax and tell me your story. Tell me what's going on in your life.
It's very cold.
How are you doing in your relationship?
People think that he's a really nice guy because he comes across really friendly and fun and all of that. But if they ever saw his cord management skills, they wouldn't want anything to do with it.
Why would you date somebody with poor cord management skills?
I don't know either. It's just, for some reason, I'm not attracted to that.
Okay, I'm trying not to get the blue, but there is sections of your hair that is longer black.
Yeah, just do all the black that you can without getting any of the blue.
Oh, you got it.
For doing that,
I'd say you have, your mom likes 4 inches, but you had a good 4 inches of black.
Really?
Hold on, let me see that again. Let me see that one brush just a little bit here.
Yeah.
Oh, what are you doing?
I handed it to you just as is. I don't know how much you needed on it.
That's good.
You just slapped it on the face.
Oh, sorry. You'll look more Caucasian by the time we're done.
I feel like there's a lot in this end right here on this chunk of hair. Is there a lot in there?
You're good. It's pretty smoothed out right here.
Yeah. Be careful to smooth it in because it'll just make that hair all break off.
Okay, go ahead. You're good. Looks good to me. You look like young Frankenstein.
That's why I need to fix it though, because I need to control this somehow for another half an hour or something.
That has to stay on a half hour?
Like probably about another half hour.
That's better.
Depends on how yellow it starts to get. Because ideally you want to get it off as soon as possible because you don't want it to damage your hair, but you want it to get as yellow or as white as possible also.
Hold on once. No, it's all good. I'll put that in there. Well, today's video isn't about doing my girl's hair. Though, ladies, if you need your hair done, I'm becoming a professional. It's about this car, the Nissan Leaf. I know people are probably getting sick of me talking about EVs, but sometimes you just got to. Okay, right off the bat, let me say, I am not getting paid for any of these endorsements. I am just receiving products. So I'm just testing. I'm just testing. That's all I can say. There is no paid, this is not paid advertisement for somebody in particular. This is just me testing out products and getting stuff in the mail to test out. That little car right there, it's been suiting me pretty good lately. Even better than it did when I originally got it. It's a good car. And it just keeps getting better. Kind of like Teslas. Every time there's a software update, the car just gets better. The Leaf is basically the same, just not with software updates. I have realized, specifically once I received the ccs1 to CHAdeMO adapter, that my Leaf has become really, really good, amazing. You know, we all thought, oh, we're gonna have to throw our cars in the dumpster. But come to find out, we didn't need to do that. We just had to wait for technology to catch up, and it has. Not only now am I able to charge at pretty much every single CCS1 charger in the United States, I'm also able, I can charge at superchargers, Tesla superchargers. So I can charge at 1772s, CHAdeMOs, CCS, and now superchargers. I don't know any car on the road that can charge at all those places other than the Nissan Leaf. This is the adapter that started it all. This is the CCS1 to CHAdeMO adapter from Electway. And without this piece of equipment, none of the stuff that I've been doing would even be possible. But then the great team over, basically Patrick at A-Crane, who creates these products here, the company that creates these products, he works for them, sent me this. Dun, dun, dun. The CCS to nacs adapter. And I have tested this out a few times, and it has been working perfect. What's great about it is not only does it work perfect, it's the safety features. It has this sliding lock to lock the Tesla adapter into place so no one could tug it out. Or not the adapter, but the Tesla plug, so no one could pull it out. It has a nice lock on it. And to connect to your other adapter, has a nice lock here that'll connect to the adapter. This thing here, this one, it'll connect to that one and not be able, and it won't pull off. So there's two safety features here that are very important. But not to be outdone, sixpenceev goes and throws their hat in the ring too, which sixpenceev and A-Crane are kind of sister companies. One's in Asia, one's in Europe, but they work together to cover the globe with great products. And I just received their version of the CCS to nacs adapter, and they want me to go testing that. So I'm going to be doing that throughout the week. But at the moment, I just kind of want to do a quick unboxing of their product and show you what safety features and locks and latches they may have, because I haven't opened it yet. And I am curious because they're basically the same company under the same umbrella, but two different manufacturers. So it's going to be interesting. So if you follow sixpenceev on Facebook and sometimes communicate with Penny Ping, she's the one that has been working with me quite often, along with Patrick over in Europe at A-Crane, making sure that all this stuff works. So when you purchase it, you know you're getting a good product. Like I said, I'm not getting paid for this. It's just stuff I've been testing and using. Oh, let's get this out of here. Okay. Comes in a pretty decent box. I'm assuming it's probably, this is how A-Crane does it. They give you this pouch. Let's see if there's something in here because I do not know. Here we go. First time he's seen it too. Ooh, wow, Penny, look, what is this? A lucky sixpence. Ah, look at that. We've got two of them, two lucky sixpences. Something old, something new, something borrowed, something blue, and a lucky sixpence in her shoe. That's kind of cool. I like that. And already, Patrick, you guys need to do something over there because this comes in a black zip-up box. Nice. Let's see what it looks like. Sixpence, I think you might have done it. Oh yeah. This is okay. Oh, it's a little bit heavier actually. Nah, it's about the same. Right off the bat, what I'm noticing is there is a lip, kind of a flange lip here where the nacs goes into, with a lock, really sturdy lock, strong, and also a very clickable lock to go on the CCS. This is really nice. There are the two units side by side. You got the sixpence one right here, which you could tell because it has the words on it. And this is the one from A-Crane with no markings. Both seem very well built. Both about as heavy. The sixpence one has some thicker screws in it. Yeah, it's a little bit more robust maybe. But other than that, it's about the same. Everything's about the same. I guess it just depends what kind of locking mechanism. If you want a slider kind that locks in and locks and unlocks, or if you want if you want one of these thumb things here where you just, which is pretty stiff too. So for safety, which one you want there, and if you care if one is flanged or not flanged. Only thing I could think of that this would help is if it's raining. It would maybe keep some of the moisture out. So sixpence, I'm going to be doing some testing with you too. Patrick, don't get jealous. Both products look great. Both are fairly strong feeling. I will be going out later this week, throwing these things to the test at superchargers, not only with the Nissan Leaf, but with my girlfriend's EV6, because as of the 15th of this month, the EV6 will be allowed to charge at Tesla superchargers too. So I'm not only gonna just test it with Nissan, I'm gonna test it with other vehicles and see how will these hold up and do. I'm really curious if the sixpence one works right out of the box. If not, no big deal. I just put my thumb drive in, get the information, send it off, get a firmware update, 5 minutes later it's done, and it should work. So I'm not too worried about that. But I can't say nothing about them both because they're both the same company. What am I supposed to say? One is from Asia and one is from Europe. They both do the same thing. Are they both going to work? I know one of them does. Well, we'll just have to give it a shot. I want to thank Penny at sixpenceev for sending this one to me. And let me tell you guys a little bit about the cost real fast too, because she did tell me that. I guess on Amazon, most of them go for about 200 bucks. She's going to try and get it down to $110. But if you purchase the bundle, the CCS to CHAdeMO adapter with the nacs unit, I think she's going to try and get it $800 or lower. So you can get two adapters for less than $800 or one for under $200, possibly $110. So I don't know what's going to happen. Best thing to do is go to sixpenceev on Facebook and check her out there and the products, and there'll be a clickable link for their website, and you can communicate with them one-on-one right there in Facebook. For Patrick, same thing, A-Crane, ACCRAINE. You can get a hold of him, and that's about it. I don't know what else to say about it because this was just a quick unboxing and comparison. Now it's time to use the product. Until the next time, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys from an EV charger down the road.